Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel your tickets on the Fandango app. Now if you want to cancel your Fandango tickets but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. First thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on a device. So if you have not installed the Fandango app, make sure to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may simply open the Fandango app, and this is the home page of Fandango, you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you just need to click on the profile icon at the very top left, and on the profile icon you'll see the option of join for free, sign in, and all other things. So if you want to cancel a ticket, you just need to click on the option of my orders, and under my orders you'll see the option of upcoming and history. So in the upcoming page you'll be able to see the various upcoming tickets or the things which you have ordered from it. So you just need to find the order which you want to cancel, and you just need to click on the option of refund or exchange. So if your order is eligible, then you will see the option of refund or exchange. So click on the option of refund to original payment or exchange for Fandango credits. So after selecting all of it, you just need to follow the prompts, and you just need to click on the option of confirm, and you will get email confirmation. So you just need to confirm your email and you will be able to cancel the Fandango tickets. So that's it. That's how you can cancel your Fandango tickets. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.